There are a lot of technical and environmental challenges out in the water at Robosub. Navigating in 3 dimensions, dealing with changing lighting conditions, and many more.
But all scientists and engineers face extra challenge in communicating their ideas to others.
That's why all the teams in Robosub have to prepare a research paper and a presentation for the judges, a part of the competition that we call static judging.
In the real world, if you have an idea, you have to be able to present it to get funding.
Come with us as we meet a few judges and talk about what aspects they want to emphasize.
So in the static judging process, they have to do a couple things. One, they have to develop a website to promote their Robosub that they develop. 2, they have to write a journal paper in order to describe the technical achievements that they have. And then the third thing is actually present to the judges in the panel.
Static judging is all about the discipline and the process of designing and evaluating the trade-offs of a system to perform a specific mission.
We've already described our submarine in detail with the journal paper, and we just thought they wanted to know more details about how we made it, what our design decisions were, and just sort of the process and the challenges that were involved.
I felt that the process of writing the paper, making the video, putting together the presentation wasn't an impediment at all. In fact, it was probably helpful just because it forced us to look back on all the things we've done and document it, just so we don't make the same mistakes that we made before.
Is it difficult or scary for you to go into that process, having to do it in a second language as an international team?
Doing it in a second language is definitely hard, but I wouldn't say that I was nervous or something, because people here are very open, and I feel it from judges too.
Well, we have to do similar presentations anyway for sponsors, and being able to describe our submarine and the work that goes into it is something that we think is really important.
You see engineers and scientists that love to design things, but getting them to communicate in written form and orally is as important as that original idea.
Out in industry, presenting in front of a high-powered group like these judges could mean your paycheck is on the line.
It's all about the Benjamins here too, because the final rankings take static judging into account.
So exercising these written and oral communication skills is a great learning experience for students in any discipline, and could translate into big bucks for the team.
Now that static judging is finished, the only thing that can still affect who takes home the cash is the performance in the pool.
So you won't want to miss our qualifying recap or our live finals webcast. For all the underwater action, keep your browser pointed at robosub.org.